So today guys we are making a diary. So first we need a ruler. You have to take a size that you have to make a diary. So mark this and cut this. I have lined this. You have to cut this part. You have to cut 3 lines. So today guys I am making a diary with paper. If you have any color sheet, you make with the color sheet. I don't have a color sheet, so I am making. I will decorate it with the color sheets. You have to first mark the line. After you have to cut this, but I am making 3 lines diary, so it will help you to write bigger. This is by 3 by 4. So I have to make a 3 by 4 line like this. You have to draw 3 lines, a line here also. I will meet you after I draw the line. After you draw 3 lines, you have to cut these lines. I will meet you after I cut these lines. So guys, I cut the lines. So you cut the lines like this and join this with glue stick. So guys, you have to paste the glue like this and paste the paper on the glue. So guys, you place this the glue like this on this and fold it. First you have to fold like this, then like this, like this, and this. I will meet you after I complete this line. So guys, I completed this line. You have to make a zigzag. After you complete this line, you have to paste this all. Guys, that's not pasting, so I am using a stapler here. Use staplers for joining this and cut the extra pages. No, sorry. extra pages, not the pages that are joined. I will meet you after I cut the pages. So guys, that is our diary. We have to decorate it because it is not looking so good. Now we decorate it. First you have to take a paper of the equal size. You have to paste it like this. I just cut this. You have to cut these on both sides. First you have to join this. As you paste glue on this and paste the paper like this and cut the extra part of the paper. So you have to take the same, so you have to do same thing on the back side. So our diary is ready. I am going to decorate this. Make a design as you want. I am drawing a design. Guys, that you draw like this as any design you want to draw. Now I am pasting this on my diary in front side. See guys, it's looking too good, not bad. I am making a same design, not same. I am making a different design for this backside. So guys, our diary is completed. See guys, if you want to write in it. So guys, this is our diary. So our diary is completed. If you want a gaming channel, no sorry, I am not making any gaming channel by the way.